In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change quantity on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to enter the number of shares or contracts you want, how to make quick adjustments, and how to double-check everything before you send the order. When you bring up an order ticket in Thinkorswim, you'll see the key fields for your trade, including the symbol, the side, buy or sell, your price, and the quantity. The field you're after is labeled QTY, or quantity. This is the number that controls how many shares of stock or how many contracts of an option or future you intend to trade. It directly affects your position size, buying power, and risk, so it's worth a careful look every time you create or edit an order. Once you've located the quantity field on the order ticket, click inside that box so it's active. Now type the exact number you want. If you're trading stock, that's the number of shares. If you're trading options or futures, that's the number of contracts. Use whole numbers and make sure you replace any default value that might already be there. If the platform pre-fills a quantity based on your last trade or a default setting, highlight it and type over it so you know the value is exactly what you intend. Next, check for small plus and minus buttons next to the quantity field. Many versions of the order ticket include these controls to help you nudge the size up or down without retyping. Clicking the plus button increases the quantity by the platform's current increment, and clicking the minus button decreases it by that same amount. This is especially handy if you want to step through sizes to compare costs or risk quickly. A short series of clicks can take you from, say, 5 to 10 contracts, or from 100 to 200 shares without having to re-enter numbers. Before you submit anything, pause and verify. Confirm that the quantity field reflects exactly how many units you want to trade. Look at the order summary line for a quick overview of the side, price, and quantity together, and make sure it all matches your plan. If you're adjusting an existing order, confirm the updated quantity is now displayed and that no other setting changed unexpectedly while you were editing. That's all there is to it. Find the QT field on the order ticket, type your number, fine-tune with the plus or minus buttons if you like, and double-check the final quantity before you send the order.